Hey guys, welcome back to Me and You Garage. Today we are back with another video on our Rivian. If you haven't checked out our latest video, I installed what I believe is one of the most important, or at least the first accessory you should have for your car. Check it out in the video linked above. Today we are here with our floor mats. Super exciting. So if you have kids, go off-roading or go camping, it's important to have floor mats in your car so that you can protect the car from the elements. If they get dirty, they're super easy to maintain. All you have to do is take them out and hose them down. So we looked into many different brands of floor mats. We looked at the Rivian's all-weather floor mats and WeatherTech, as well as LinerX. We decided to go with the LinerX because they include a cargo mat, which the other two didn't, but the reviews also mentioned that they're a better fit and have better coverage for the car. So let's check them out. I'll install them and then give you my final review. Let's take a look here, and this is the condition in which it arrived. Like, check this out. Look at this box that we got. It's all broken and opened up. They probably need better packaging, I guess, if this is how it holds up. What do we have here? Whoa, big. Whoa. Please follow these steps for installation. 1. Lay the cargo mat or liner on a flat ground surface for 24 hours or under warm shaded area for 12 hours. 2. Remove all the floor mats from the vehicle. 3. Install each LinerX mat to the correct area in the vehicle. Adjust seats forward or backward for easier installation. 4. Cargo mat liner will settle in and become more fitted in 48 to 72 hours. My trusty little assistant is going to help me do the pop. Ooh. Ooh, good job. Awesome. Whee. Pop. Pop over here too. 1, 2, 3, pop.
2, 3,
pop. Okay. Oh, we got our Black & Decker here. Links in the box. This is from Amazon. Take it out. Help me pull the plastic off. Thank you, ma'am. Right there. Pop. So it covers a little bit better than the original floor mats. It goes over the trim here, and they pop right in. Fits nicely. There we go. Pop. Okay, there. Pop. There. Pop. There we go.
There's a little bit of a gap there too.
Yeah, it's a little, yeah. This side actually could have been shifted over a little bit.
Yes.
Yep. And let's see how the fitment is on this one. Shoot. So since there's no pop when you close the door, so if you're like us and you have kids and you got strollers or you go camping, this liner could be really good for help protecting your fabric on your car, because this is not removable. All right, so we just finished the installation on the floor mats and we are pretty happy with the product so far. It was easy to install, the price was really right, and there were just some slight adjustments maybe to the middle and the rear seats could have been shifted a little bit, but overall the coverage and the fitment is pretty good. So for the LinerX floor mats, they were $160 for the front, middle, and back seats, and $110 for the cargo and trunk liner, which was not available for WeatherTech or Rivian. Rivian was $250 and WeatherTech was $335. So LinerX was $270 for all of the floor mats. So pretty happy with what we got. And if you want to check them out, the links will be in the description box down below. And thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.